Since its invention in 1878, the adjustable combination square has been a favorite of woodworkers everywhere. It's been copied hundreds of times, but usually to make it cheaper, not better. Woodpecker's product development team didn't want to make just another combination square. So we built features into this that you won't find in any other square made anywhere in the world. And they're features that help you get your job done faster and better. First, we didn't just design one square, we designed four. The combination square XL, double square, and double square XL. The combination square gives you a square and a miter square in the same tool. The double squares are square on both sides and a bit more compact than the combination squares. The XL models have a head that is a full 1 inch thick. You'll never worry about molded edges throwing you off your angle. With an 18-inch blade on the combination square XL and a 12-inch blade on the double square XL. The standard size double square comes with a 6-inch blade, and the standard combination square comes with a 12-inch blade. You can calibrate the head to the scribing notches at every full inch along the entire length of the blade. All four models feature laser cut notches every 1/16 of an inch for accurate parallel scribing.
The Pony Style 9180 90-degree angle clamps are made for miter, butt, and T-joints. They're perfect for framing and cabinet assembly. Each clamp can be mounted to a work surface and has 2.5-inch miter and butt joint couple and Acme threaded screw. The large clearing is great for gluing, doweling, or stapling material. The die-cast jaws are non-marring and the rear jaws swivel for easy adjustment on objects.
Introducing the Boratool WTX Clamp Edge Saw Guide. Making straight cuts has never been easier. The new WTX Clamp Edge is tougher, more durable. It's made of heavy gauge extruded aluminum. The adjustable end clamp slides easily along two precise channels, so there's nothing to wear out. The locking handle grabs and won't let go, and there's no wobble or torquing when it's locked in place. You get a secure edge that won't budge, so you can make exact cuts with your circular saw, jigsaw, or router. The WTX Clamp Edge is 50 inches long to accommodate standard 4-foot sheet material. And when you need a longer straight edge, it's no problem with the optional extension kit, which includes 2 metal connectors and up to 50 inches of additional cutting capacity. Remove the end clamp. Slide the connectors into the channels and tighten the screws to secure the connection. Then slide the extension rail into place and tighten it down. Now you can rip the full length of standard sheet material in one clean, continuous cut. Tough, durable.
So we've all been there. We have a really tight, confined space that we need to drill either a screw into or a hole through, and our impact driver and drill, they just don't work. They're too big and too bulky to fit into the space. Luckily, Milescraft has come up with a fantastic product called the Drive 90 Plus. The Drive 90 Plus is a right angle drill attachment constructed of steel and plastic with a nice molded grip. It's 1.5 inches wide and weighs only ½ pound, which means it's easy to maneuver, really lightweight, and can fit into any space. It features a 1/4 inch hex shaft, which means it can fit any impact driver and drill, and it has a 1/4 inch magnetic hex socket, so you won't go losing your bits. The Drive 90 Plus makes drilling into tight, confined spaces super simple and easy.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual-bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to cross-cut bevel and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the saw fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the axial glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool.
These are the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. These high-performance planers provide fast and even stock removal with a smooth finish and are designed for typical planer applications such as trimming doors. The aluminum front and rear shoes are precision machined after assembly to ensure accuracy. These planers not only feature a lock-off button to help prevent accidental startup, but also a lock-on button for extended operation, an industry first. The guide fence mounts to both the front and back of the tool for stability, and a plastic overshoe to prevent marring of your workpiece. The cord swivel makes it extra easy to position the power cord. A built-in spring-loaded stand elevates the tool to protect the blade and the resting spot and allows easy entry into the middle of your workpiece. The PL1632 comes with the dual mount fence, the plastic overshoe, and a shavings bag. The PL2632 also includes a case and the 3-degree overshoe. So here they are, the Bosch PL1632 and PL2632 planers. For more information on these tools, reference this page, and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
The patented Jorgensen Easy Hold Light Duty Bar Clamp is a one-handed bar clamp designed for traditional clamping, expandable clamping, and spreading work. The one-handed design allows you to have one hand free to hold the object in place while applying clamping pressure. The patented head design allows for 2 clamps to be easily joined together for your larger projects. Take the jaw off by pushing the button and removing it from the bar. Turn it over, slide it back on, and lock into place. Now it's time to take another clamp of any length you need and repeat these steps. As you can see, there's a dovetail attachment on each jaw. Take the 2 clamps, slide the jaws together, and lock into place. In this example, 2 6-inch light-duty bar clamps becomes a single 16.5-inch bar clamp because you have an additional 4.5 inches in the middle. Another great feature we've built into this design is that the clamp can be easily converted to a spreader by moving the stationary head to the other side of the bar. Take the jaw off by pushing the button and removing it from the bar. Then move the head to the opposite end of the bar and lock it into place by pushing the button. Now you've just added a spreader to your inventory of tools in your shop. Pony clamps feature the original multiple disc clutch design, which allows a secure hold along the bar. No slipping, just instant adjustments in either direction. The protective pads are made of thick, durable plastic to protect your work. And the large jaw size spreads out the clamping pressure to eliminate pressure marks. This is especially beneficial when clamping softer material. The jaw size allows for 2.5 inches of clamping capacity from the top of the bar to the top of the jaws. The bar itself is strong, lightweight, and black oxide plated to be rust resistant. It handles test load limits up to 150 pounds. These clamps come in a variety of styles, including hobbycraft, light duty, medium duty, and heavy duty versions. They're ideal for hobby, craft, and model projects, as well as professional tradespeople of all types. Whether you're looking for a high-quality one-handed bar clamp, a clamp that can be turned into a spreader, or a clamp that can be joined together for those really large jobs, the Jorgensen Easy Hold clamp gets the job done.